Hey everyone, so I'm on my way to the Marrickville Big Cubes Day, and as you can see I live in Waitara and Marrickville's an hour and a half away, so it's a bit of a long journey just to do one competition entry, which is clock, and we'll see how I go. I've been practicing clock quite a bit heavily. Hopefully I'll get in the top 8, get through to the final, which would be great. Otherwise I'm just happy to get a time for clock and not get kicked out after not meeting the time limit. And that's probably my train coming. Bye. It's always nice to have a good view on the trip to Marrickville. It's a lot warmer today than I expected. I've arrived at Marrickville and it's just a short walk to the comp now. Bye. Finally made it. As you can see, there's a bit of construction work around which made the entrance a bit obscured, but in there, in the darkness, is what I'm looking for. So I'm finally here at Marrickville Town Hall and we can see all the competitions behind me. I think they're doing 5x5 or 6x6 at the moment. I didn't really check. I've got clock, which is after lunch, so I've got heaps of time to prepare. I've got a couple of familiar faces here. Not a lot of people because it's a bit of an unusual day with the larger cubes, the clock and the square one, and the Megamix. And then tomorrow's the main competition with the 3x3, 2x2 and so on, which I won't be going to. But I'll try and get a report from some of my friends who are going. So we'll see you later when I get ready for clock. Bye.
What do you think that was it a bad soul? No, it's like really ready.
Oh, so what time are you on?
Sorry, I didn't. Stop. I'm going to give you an extra because
Oh, I really want that one.
because the time wasn't on, and then I didn't pull out 8 seconds because I was distracted by the time not being
I talked
on.
to someone online who like,
Sorry.
let me just
Sorry.
and I'm actually gonna meet them IRL today. Wow.
Two very boring minutes later.
Made it as a human community. No matter how slow you are, there'll always be someone slow. Yep. Wait, what is this?
You got a 14.9.
What?
No, I've got to edit it all, put it together.
So it
Better
takes
sign these two, otherwise you're gonna get because that, yeah, maybe you can just get into like the final.
nice.
I just give it
What was that? That was a good time. It's better than 13.
No. That's all right. I got 23 seconds.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
That means I won't get into the final though. So yeah, 23:67. It doesn't matter. It's this one, that's the one that matters.
Like if you want to get him better, huh?
End of the day here at Marrickville. Most of the seats are empty, just the hardcore believers are left behind. We just finished the 5x5 final and we'll have the award ceremony next, of which I am not receiving something for the clock. One of the guys doing clock got 5 and 6 seconds, putting him quite high up actually in Australia and maybe top 100 in the world. I'd have to check that again. But it's been a really fun day. It's been a long day and I have a very long trip to go home. I'll be getting home quite late. But, you know, it's what we do for the things we love.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands,
A sweeping view of the plains of Speedcubing. Here we see noble cubers doing friendly battle with each other to see who will be crowned the winner in today's tourney. And if we look closely, we can see the Alpha Cuber himself, Ed Hollingdale, and it looks like he's managed to assemble for himself a large collection of twisty puzzles, which he carefully and lovingly scrambles, only to release them again to the waiting hordes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe here and see our latest video here. Thanks for watching.